This 2013 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 331 is a Class A RV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features U-Shaped Dinette. This 2013 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 331 is built on a Freightliner XCS chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.